Hi guys, how are you? I'm gonna just sit here for just a second. I didn't give much notice that I was going live today, but I wanted to pop on really quickly for a quick tip for one of our blends. If you don't know me, I am Katie Couts, aka Mama Couts, and I blog at mamacouts.com. I've been there for, oh goodness, I've been a blogger for a long time. And I started blogging about preparedness about 5 years ago. And then I started blogging about oils and preparedness about 4 years ago. So that was something that came into our lives and has been life-changing. And so my passion now is to share essential oils for preparedness with all of you guys. And so my purpose of these little short videos is to share tips on why the oils are something we all should have in our preparedness kits and in our bug out bags and whatnot. And so, but if you don't know how to use them, you don't know why you need them. And that was something that started for me early on. I wasn't really sure. I thought I needed them. I liked the smell of them, but I didn't know how to use them. And I thought I'd just leave them on the shelf until I needed them. And it didn't work out that way. You really need to know how to use them before you need them. So today I am going to talk about DigestZen, which is our digestive blend. Excuse me, goodness, hold on one second. So our DigestZen digestive blend comes in a roller like this, which is pre-diluted, ready to go. This is perfect for your little ones, and it's also perfect for older people who might have sensitive skin. And this is our 15 ml oil, and this is just the oil, it's not diluted. So what is this good for? So if you've got stomach upset, or if you've got diarrhea or constipation, that's where this one comes in. And for a preparedness standpoint, what I love about having the oils is I don't have to leave my house if I need something, right? Like you could probably stock up on all the over-the-counter medications, but these are natural ways to take care of your issue, and it doesn't take very much to get there. And from a preparedness standpoint, you can have your roller bottle kit with all your roller bottles in it and just toss that in your bag, right? Or I have another little bag that fits the 10 ml bottles or 15 ml bottles in it. And they're super compact and it doesn't take much. So how do you use the digestive blend? Well, depending on what your issue is, if you've got nausea going on, I will just take it and tip it like this on my thumb and press it to the roof of my mouth. If it's really bad, like heartburn, I would tip it like this and just have the drop on your finger, and I would rub it right here. And this will take care of your heartburn, or on my chest. It takes seconds to take care of it. I'm telling you, this was one of the very first oils I tried that totally changed my mind about oils because it was so quick about taking care of the heartburn that I was experiencing. It tastes a little bit like licorice, black licorice. So if you don't like black licorice, you're definitely going to want to do topical versus in your mouth. Another way I do it is just drop under my tongue like that. And that's another way to get it into your system sublingually. The other options with the roller bottle is, since it's pre-diluted for little ones, or like I said, sensitive skin, you could just rub this wherever you have the issue. So if you've got, you could rub it here for the heartburn. You could rub it straight on your belly. If your stomach is upset, you could totally rub it straight on your belly, and it will help take care of it going through your system that way. So that is one of the oils I wanted to talk about today. Next week, I am planning on talking about lavender. That's another good one to have, and why we need it, because there's multiple things to do with lavender. I love lavender. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can message me. You can leave a comment below. On Facebook, you can comment there too, or not Facebook, YouTube, because this will be on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. I don't know if you knew that. You can follow me over there too. I would be more than honored to be able to answer any questions that you might have about any of the oils. And if I haven't talked about them and you have questions about something else that you think that you might need an oil for, I would be happy to talk to you about that too. My passion is for everybody to have oils, especially for preparedness, but also because oils are life-changing. And I think everybody should have their lives changed with them because they're amazing. And you're amazing. And I love that you come here every week to interact and ask questions and learn because oils are great and everybody needs them. So I hope you all have a wonderful week. Next week, I will be coming to you from Minnesota. So if you're in Minnesota, look me up because I would love to get together and have coffee. Can we do that? That'd be great. So I will talk to you all later. Bye-bye now.